Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing at 101 Green Manor Road in Enfield, Connecticut. It's our newest listing. Come on in and take a look around. You don't want to miss this beautiful Colonial with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a young roof, young windows throughout, young carpeting, a remodeled kitchen, beautiful open floor plan. You got to come check it out. Check out the remodeled kitchen. Notice the cinnamon cabinets with glazed front raised panels, crown molding at the top, and all stainless steel appliances. There's a breakfast bar, a newer kitchen floor, and what's really neat is it's open to the dining room and the living room. So there's plenty of room for your family to spread out. Notice big picture windows. Also, all these windows have been replaced. Upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms. One and a half bathrooms total. You have a 30-year architectural roof, which is very young. The exterior has been freshly painted just recently, and this home has a beautiful fenced-in yard, nice level lot. You have a nice carport that's attached here and covered area. It's in a great location, close to 190, and all the amenities, all restaurants and highways. It's a great location. So if you'd like to take a look at this beautiful home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.